guys, I'm at Menards and I'm getting a garage door opener clicker. I just wanted to do a little video here. This is at Menards and we're going to run some garage doors. Really nice. That back up. My friend has the same opener. This is the Chamberlain version. 883 LM. Chamberlain, but this is Chamberlain. Quiet. Alright, run that back up. Here's your new garage door openers. I heard about these garage doors and stuff like that. I'm just getting a remote, but there's all your new garage door openers. So, Jeannie, I have a friend that has the same garage door opener. Check back. I do got a couple of more